That tutorial shows how to upgrade an embedded QoreStor 6.1 to a QoreStor 7.1. Assuming that we have a domain 410 with two VTC with an embedded QoreStor on each VTC. If you want to know which version of QoreStor your VTC is using, you start a VTC management console, you go to QoreStor system, and basically you will see the actual version of the QoreStor and the status of that version. You see also the version of the Linux used by the virtual machine. Let's update the first embedded QoreStor first. To do that, we will go to the configuration and disable the VTC with the QoreStor that we want to use to make sure that the domain won't try to do a backup on that VTC. So all the software you need to update the QoreStor is on the ISO DVD image. So you mount that ISO basically, and then you start PowerShell to run the preparation script, the update QS7.1 script. So you basically run that script and the script takes a couple of seconds to make the preparation and then you are ready to go. So you eject that virtual CD and then we will mount the CD on the VM, the QoreStor VM running inside the BackBox itself. So to do that, you are using the VTC MC, the management console, and you select the ISO image. You just have to open it, then you press mount. So the VM gonna see now that DVD, and the DVD contain all the instruction for the QoreStor VM to make the upgrade. So you press next, and the process is started. So just before making the update, the VTC MC create a checkpoint of the virtual machine. So if anything goes wrong, we're gonna go back to that checkpoint. So you can see the checkpoint on the Hyper-V console. And that checkpoint will be deleted if the update is successful. And if the update fails, we're going to go back to the state just before we start the thing. So now you see the checkpoint disappear because the update is successful. The service are restarting, and eventually we will see the new version of the QoreStor with the status of that version. We are 7.1 and we are operational mode healthy. Done. So let's re-enable the VTC number 5 and we will prepare the VTC number 6 for the update and disable it. So we have to save the configuration and then we are ready. So let's make a backup using the QoreStor 7.1 before starting the update of the second one. So the backup is started. So let's go to the BackBox UI to see if we can monitor the job. So the tape is loaded and we are almost done. So after that, I will show you the update of the second one in accelerated mode. So you will see all the steps. So let's make it. So we run the PowerShell, then we mount the drive on the virtual machine. We run the update. The checkpoint has been done with the Hyper-V. So if the thing is successful, the checkpoint is deleted. We wait to restart the service. So let's re-enable the two VTC, so the VTC6, and we will run a restore of an old backup to make sure with the new QoreStor we are able to make a restore legacy backup. So let's start the restore. Restore is done. Thank you.